Nothing in this world that I wouldn't. Now it's Jerome.
Gangsta grill, you bastard. Gangsta Brazil.
Hello. Okay, what is this about? I hope it's not about health insurance because I don't have any. Student loan forgiveness. No, my student loan has been paid off. Yep. All right.
Now it's Jerome.
Gangsta grill, you bastard. Gangsta Brazil.
Now they paper gone. This nigga game stuck. It's time to substitute. Am I really diamonds? You heard somebody hustle. Getting out your revenue. Boy, you don't know what to do. I say you better double hustle your feet. Express ain't got no cheese. If you ain't looking phony, tryna start like me, nigga.
Now it's Jerome.
Gangsta grill, you bastard. Gangsta Brazil.
Money, now they paper gone. Substitute. Boy, you don't know what to do. Bitches, what is that about? Niggas in the stupid class. Watch. Motherfucking monsters. Playing with the table like I'm playing in a dumpster. Your baby mama playing on your bitch. You a buster. Throwing up shit working 9 to 5. She still a hustler. You can make shit run that thing. Why you looking like they don't want to change? Gas, but you got $1 in your pocket. Like 20 in your wallet. I be down for your money. But I forgot what you about to get. You ain't got enough money. You ain't got enough money.
The affiliates.